Does Mommy know how to push off? So you broke the sled trail. Well, I got a nice shot of Mommy's butt. Cora walked right there and... oh, where did she go? Oh, there she is.
You want to do it by yourself? Hold on. We'll get you up and then we'll get you by yourself again. Okay? You want to sit up or lay down? You want to sit up this time?
Daddy tried to get her to sit up last time, but she wouldn't have none of it.
Sit up then. And hold on to the arm. Inside. Hold really tight, okay? Ready? You want to sit up?
You hold on really tight, baby. Hold on.
Hold on, okay?
As tight as you can. You didn't push her.
Yay! Cool.
Daddy went a little bit too fast and got more of a shot of the tree.
You want to go again? Okay, hold on. I'll push you up. Hold on. Okay, ready? You want to sit up again? Or you want to lay down? Huh? You want to walk? Mommy will slide by herself then. Okay. Again? Again?